The college application will be the first impression on an admissions committee, so it's an essential part of the process. How does a given student look different to a college than another student?
Very good, Alec.
The colleges are not just looking for stats in terms of the academic grades and the letters of recommendation, rather they're looking to really find out more about the character of the student. It's also significantly about extracurricular activities.
You guys practice what, every week, every 3 days? Every day. Every day? Wow.
It's about community service activities. It's about what a student does during the summer. If a student has had work experience, it's very important that that's mentioned in the application as well. And the key thing is that a student wants to demonstrate a lot of passion in his or her application because in many cases the colleges do not interview, and therefore the application is really representing the combination of the resume and the interview. Most of our students apply to 8 to 10 colleges, and typically about a third of the colleges to which the students apply we would call safeties, meaning schools that a student would likely get admitted to. About a third of the schools to which a student would apply would be medium level, which would be about a 50-50 chance, and then about a third would be reaches, which would be less than 50-50. Based upon competition, it's very important for students to apply to a wide enough range of schools. It's not only about deciding the school list, but there also are decisions to be made in terms of the timing of when a student should apply.
But what's the deadline for early decision? Is it the same at all schools?
There's a very popular program called Early Decision, in which a student is saying to that particular school that if he or she gets in, he or she will go. In exchange for that commitment of definitely going to the school, the college will typically give the student a slightly better likelihood of admission than they would have otherwise. However, a student can only apply to one school early decision at a time, so that choice has to be made wisely. In addition, with regard to the application process, a lot of students think that once they push the submit button on their computer, that the application process is done. A lot of colleges do waitlist students. If a student is waitlisted and still has a strong interest in going to the school, it's very, very important that the student continue to show interest in the school. The colleges are very, very interested in knowing how passionate a student is about the school. So this demonstration of interest in the school can make the difference between staying on the wait list or being taken off the wait list.